Hello guys, today we will be discussing about one more sketching entity, that is slots. So we can sketch these slot type. First one, state slot. It sketches a state slot using the two endpoint. Second one, center point state slot. It sketches a state slot from the center point. Coming to the third one, 3-point arc slot. It sketches an arc slot using 3 point along the arc. Center point arc slot. It sketches an arc using the center point of the arc radius and the two endpoints. So in order to access the slot tools, go to Sketch tab, click the slot command manager to select the slot tool from the slot icon flyout tool. Else you can go to menu, click tools, sketch entities to select the slot tools. So for creating a straight slot, go to the sketch, click straight slot icon, or you can access it from the tools, sketch entities, straight slot. Click to specify the starting point of the slot, move the pointer, then click to specify the length of the slot. Now move the pointer and then click to specify the width of the slot. Now for creating a center point straight slot, go to the Sketch tab, click center point straight slot icon, or you can go to tools, then sketch entities. Click to specify the center point of the slot, move the pointer and then click to specify the length of the slot. Move the pointer and then click to specify the width of the slot. Now coming to the third one, that is 3-point arc slot. To sketch a 3-point arc slot, go to Sketch, then click 3-point arc slot icon. Click to specify the starting point of the arc. Now move the pointer to specify the ending point of the arc and then click. Move the pointer to specify the third point of the arc and then again click. Now move the pointer to specify the width of the slot and then click to exit the command. Now moving to the last slot category is center point arc slot. So to sketch the center point arc slot, go to Sketch, then click the center point arc slot icon. Now click to specify the center point of the arc. Move the pointer to specify the radius of the arc and then click again. Now move the pointer to specify the length of the slot and click. At the last, move the pointer to specify the width of the slot and then click to exit the slot command.